In this video, I will show you the affiliate program system included with the Next.js Saas Boilerplate. This powerful built-in feature can help you avoid costly third-party service for promoting your SaaS app. We'll start by configuring the affiliate program from the admin panel. First, you can select the plans you want to include in the program and choose the reward type, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. For example, you might reward affiliates with $30 per sale or maybe 20% of each sale. There are also other options you can configure as well, such as the maximum commissions per customer, which defines how many commissions an affiliate can earn for a single referral, and the maximum number of months to pay commissions, which sets the duration over which an affiliate can earn on a single referral. You can also specify the number of days before commissions become due, and that's actually a crucial setting to avoid paying commissions on sales that may be refunded. Additionally, you can set a payout threshold, which defines the minimum amount an affiliate needs to reach before they are eligible for payout. And finally, you can configure the referral cookie duration to specify how many days a referred visitor has to convert for the affiliate to receive credits. Now, let's test the affiliate system live. Imagine I'm a user interested in joining your affiliate program. First, I will create an account. And as you can see, I get access to a comprehensive dashboard where I can track my revenue, conversions, and withdrawal balance. I will set up my affiliate link and start promoting it to earn commissions right away. It's that simple. So yeah, let's test if everything works as expected. I will copy the link, log out, and open it. Then I will subscribe to a plan. Let's go with this one, for example. After entering my details and making the payments, I will receive an account creation link in my email, which I will follow to create my account. Here you go. Here is the plan we subscribed to. Now let's check back in the affiliate account to see if the commission was received. And there it is. The commission shows up. And one thing to keep in mind, since we set a 30-day delay before payments become due, this commission won't be withdrawable until that period has passed. The payout threshold also applies here, meaning the affiliate needs to reach the minimum amount to withdraw. To demonstrate the process, I'll make some changes in the database as if 30 days have passed. Now the user can withdraw their earnings. Oops, it looks like there is one more step. The user needs to set up a payment method before completing the process. So let's choose PayPal as payment method, for example. Now let's try to withdraw again. There we go. The admin should now receive an email notifying them of the withdrawal request. Heading back to the admin panel, we can see the payout request in the payouts section. After processing the payments, we can mark this payout as completed. And that's it. That's how the affiliate program system works. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you would like to try it yourself, feel free to visit demo.nextsaas.io. If you have any other questions, let me know. See you in another video. God willing.